Ladies and gentlemen, check out this exercise. We need to find the shaded area in the figure. We will do this exercise using two methods. And don't miss the second method because it's very interesting. First, we will draw a line from this point to this point here. Take a look. Now, draw a line from this point to this point here, dividing this square into 4 equal parts. Now, I want you to focus on this square here. Let's draw its diagonal from this point to this point here. What we are going to do is find this area here and multiply it by 8. We will call this area here area 1, correct? So we have that area 1 is equal to the area of this quarter circle. Observe, the area of the quarter circle minus the area of this triangle here. Very well. Then we have that area 1 is equal to the area of a quarter circle, which is pi times the radius squared divided by 4, minus the area of a triangle is base times height over 2. Let's substitute the values. The radius would be from here to here, which is naturally 5 because the total is 10. And from here to here is also 5. Very well. So the radius is 5. Let's substitute here. The base is 5 and the height is also 5 for the right triangle. Is 5 multiplied by 5 over 2. And we have found that area 1 is equal to 5 squared, which gives us 25 pi over 4. Very well. Minus 5 times 5 gives us 25 halves. Excellent. We have area 1. And notice that this area is half of this area in blue here. How do we know? Because on this side, we have a quarter of a circle. And on the other side, we also have a quarter of a circle. And since it's the diagonal, it divides it into 2 equal parts. Now the shaded area will be equal to 8 times area 1, because here we have 2, here 2 more make 4, here 2 more make 6, and here 2 more make 8. We have that the shaded area is equal. We open parentheses and write this down, which is area 1, leaving us with 25 pi over 4 minus 25 over 2. Easy. And now we can say that the shaded area is 8 divided by 4, which gives us 2. Multiplied by 25 pi gives us 50 pi. Very well. So good. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4 times negative 25, which gives us negative 100. And ladies and gentlemen, here we have the shaded area in the figure. Fascinating, right? Now let's use method number 2. For that, I'm going to use 2 diagrams. Here I have one diagram, and here is the other one. Pay close attention, because these 2 graphs are the empty ones here in our graph here. So these 4 small pieces we have here would be these 4 here. And this star-like part would be, well, this part here. Very good. So if we find these areas, we can subtract them from the square and thus find its area and the shaded area, right? So how are we going to find these 4 small pieces? We'll call it area 2. So the area 2 is equal to, it's very simple, because we have the area of the square minus the area of the circle that is in blue. Very well. And that's how we find the area of these 4 small sections. Now let's find the area of this little star here. We have that area 3, which we will call this part here, is equal to the area of the square. And notice what happens here. Something very interesting. Here I have 1/4 of a circle and another here, and another here. Together, these 4 quarters would form a complete circle. So, I have to subtract a circle. And notice that area 2 and area 3 are the same. That is, by adding these 4 pieces, we get the area that I have here in this figure, which is like a star. Isn't it fascinating? If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Now then, we simply have to make the shaded area equal to the area of the square. Notice the area of this square minus twice the area 2, because the notice area 2 is this part here, but there are 2 times because this part is equal to this part over here. Alright, how about we find area 2 first and then do this? I'm going to erase it now. So we have that area 2 is equal to the area of the square, which is 10 times 10, giving us 100, minus the area of the circle, which is pi times the radius squared. The circle's radius from here to here measures 5, so we have 5 squared here. We have that area 2 equals 100 minus 5 squared, which gives us 25 times pi. Pi. Excellent. Now we had said that the shaded area is equal to the area of the square minus 2 times area 2. Meaning this here, minus 2 times 100 minus 25p. Fascinating. Remember that the area of the square was 100. We have 100 here as well. And now we have that the shaded area is equal to 100 minus 2 times 100 gives us negative 200. Then minus a negative gives us plus 2 times 25, 50 pi. By Galileo's beard, this equals the shaded area is going to be equal to 50 pi, and 100 minus 200 gives us negative 100. Impressive. We found the shaded area once again, and it turned out the same both ways. Let me know in the comments which method you liked more. See you next time. Bye bye.